Hello friends, most welcome to our YouTube channel Trading Bulls. Today's topic is introduction to portfolio management. So we have to discuss regarding portfolio management. So let's start. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So what is a portfolio management? First of all, we will discuss about this. Okay, investment portfolio. See, here are the graph that represent the portfolio structures. We have diversified portfolio in cash, insurance, annuities, real estate, bonds, stocks, etc. Investment portfolio. Factor to consider when creating a portfolio: diversification, minimizing investment cost, regular investment, follow-up buying. How to build a complete financial portfolio: craft a balance sheet, asset and liabilities both are equal, contribute to your saving, pay off your credit card or debts, open a saving account, purchase a home, log into other investment, invest in yourself, build 6-month emergency fund, save your save for your children education, stay the course. So here we have discussed how to diversify our portfolio in different sectors like healthcare, telecom, consumer goods, industrial, utilities, financial, consumer goods, real estate, material, energy, technology. Stock market indices. What is it? Stock market indices. In our India, BSE, that is Sensex, and NSE, that is a Nifty. NSE, National Stock Exchange, that is established in 1992, and BSE established in 1875. List of stock exchanges in India. So number 1, Bombay Stock Exchange, National Stock Exchange NSE, Indian Commodity Exchange ICEX, United Stock Exchange of India USE, Multi Commodity Exchange MCX, Over the Counter Exchange of India OTCEI, Interconnected Stock Exchange of India ISE, Madras Stock Exchange MSE, Ahmedabad Stock Exchange ASE, Bhubaneswar Stock Exchange, Cochin Stock Exchange. 12 sectorial indices of Nifty. Here we have discussed a very important topic regarding indices. In Nifty, there are 12 different sectors indices. One Nifty Auto Index, Nifty Bank Index, Nifty Private Bank Index, Nifty PSU Bank Index, Nifty Financial Services Index, Nifty FMCG Index, Nifty IT Index, Nifty Media Index, Nifty Metal Index, Nifty Pharma Index, Nifty Realty Index, and Nifty 500 Industry Indices. What is the weightage in our Nifty? Here we have discussed about this. 28.67% weightage financial services, 16.52% weightage automobile, 11.06% industrial manufacturing, 9.28% weightage is consumer goods, media and entertainment weightage is 4.65%, metal weightage is 3.91%, power 3.34%, construction 3.03%, healthcare services weightage is 4.57%, textile weightage is 2.93%, IT weightage is 2.34%, telecom weightage is 1.68%, services weightage is 2.59%, oil and gas 2.26%, cement and cement products 1.85%, and pharma is 1.31%. So BSE indices are categorized as follows: S&P BSE Sensex, S&P BSE Mid Cap, S&P BSE Small Cap, S&P BSE 100, S&P BSE 200, S&P BSE 500. This is the broad based indices of BSE. Thematic indices: S&P BSE GreenX, S&P BSE CarbonX. Investment strategies indices: S&P BSE IPO, S&P BSE SME IPO, S&P BSE Dolex 30, 100 and 200. Sectorial indices: in BSE we have discussed about sectorial indices. BSE Auto, it's reflect the behavior and performance of the automobile sector, which includes manufacturers of car, motorcycle, heavy vehicle, auto, ancillaries, tire, etc. BSE Auto indices comprise of 15 stocks that are listed on the BSE. BSE Bank X index is an index comprised of the most liquid and large capitalized Indian banking stocks. The index has 12 stocks from the banking sectors which trade on the BSE. BSE FMCG. The BSE FMCG index comprises of maximum of 15 companies who manufacturing FMCG products which are listed on the BSE. BSE IT. The BSE IT index is comprises of maximum of 10 companies. IISL has developed the BSE IT sector index. BSE Health. The S&P BSE Healthcare is designed to provide investors with a benchmark reflecting companies including the S&P BSE all cap that are classified as a member of the healthcare sector. We have discussed Nifty 50 companies and different type of weightage that their companies. Stock market glossary. Top-down approach, bottom-up approach, bottom-up approach, fundamental analysis, market capitalization, stock market index, bonus issues, stock split and reverse split, blue chip stocks and dividend. Here are the some graphical representation about finance, debt, saving, tax, financial plan, etc. Thank you for watching our YouTube channels. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.